Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Guardian Dental and Vision app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Guardian Dental and Vision is a mobile app designed for members to manage their dental and vision insurance plans conveniently. The app allows users to view plan details, access digital ID cards, submit and track claims, locate in-network providers, and receive notifications about plan updates. It also provides educational resources about coverage, benefits, and eye or dental care tips, all in one place. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users praise the app for its intuitive design, quick navigation, and centralized access to plan information. Many find it convenient to manage claims, check benefits, and find providers on the go. The app's notifications and updates help members stay informed, and syncing across devices ensures continuity of access. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login or syncing issues, and certain advanced features may feel limited compared to contacting customer service directly. Additionally, the app's usefulness depends on the specifics of your plan, so not all features may be available to every member. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Guardian Dental and Vision app may be worth using if you're a member looking for a mobile-friendly, centralized way to manage dental and vision benefits. It excels in convenience, accessibility, and plan transparency. However, if you encounter technical difficulties or need detailed support, the app may not fully replace traditional customer service channels. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.